Hook. Ever heard of someone swallowing a typewriter? Buckle up for this mind-bending tale. Did you know that a man once lived with typewriter parts in his stomach? Fact statement. It's hard to believe, but a man actually swallowed parts of a typewriter and lived with them inside his stomach. Detailed explanation. In a bizarre twist of fate, a man named Michel Lotito became known for consuming inedible objects. Born in 1950 in France, Lotito was diagnosed with a rare condition called pica, which made him crave non-food items. Over his lifetime, he ate metal, glass, and rubber, among other strange things. But his most astonishing feat was swallowing parts of a typewriter. Lotito would break down objects into smaller pieces, coating them with mineral oil to aid digestion. Remarkably, his stomach and intestines had walls twice the thickness of a typical human, allowing him to consume sharp objects without harm. Interesting tidbits. Michel Lotito's unique ability earned him a place in the Guinness World Records as Monsieur Mange-Tout, or Mr. Eat-All. Over his lifetime, he consumed approximately 9 tons of metal. Visual aid. Imagine an X-ray showing typewriter parts inside a human stomach. Conclusion. So next time you find yourself with a tough meal, remember Michel Lotito and his typewriter feast. Call to action. What's the weirdest thing you've ever heard of someone eating? Share your stories in the comments and follow for more astonishing facts.